Hi, welcome to Hardworking Trucks and News and Views. I'm Senior Editor Tom Quimby. So the big news is the rising surge in COVID variant cases, specifically COVID Delta. The CDC reported this week they've seen about an 84% uptick in COVID cases and about a 48% rise in fatalities. So tough news. That's week over week, that 48% rise. So the question is then, well, if you've been vaccinated, should you have to wear a mask or not to help protect yourself against this latest strain? So it depends who you ask. The CDC, they're standing by guidelines they came out with 3 months ago. So they're saying if you've been inoculated against COVID-19, there's no need to wear a mask indoors. However, Dr. Fauci, he is, of course, the chief medical advisor to the White House, along with the World Health Organization and the American Academy for Pediatrics. They're stating that even if you've been vaccinated, it's still a good idea to wear a mask indoors. And so there's good reasoning behind this. It was about a month ago, the Wall Street Journal came out with a story, and that is regarding folks in Israel that became infected with the latest COVID variant, COVID Delta. About 48% of those that became infected with that new variant had been inoculated against COVID-19. And so Dr. Fauci and others are pointing out, say, concerns, say, on these breakthrough cases here in the U.S. That is, again, folks that have been vaccinated but yet are coming down with this latest variant, COVID Delta. So you've got Philadelphia. It was the latest city today where they are now requiring folks who are going indoors to wear a mask, even if they've been vaccinated. Again, that's Philadelphia. This follows Los Angeles County. It's out there in, of course, California, and requiring the same thing. Even if you've been vaccinated, you need to wear a mask indoors. Now, Clark County, Nevada held an emergency meeting this week. Of course, Las Vegas is there in Clark County. Well-traveled city, as everyone knows. And so emergency meeting held in Clark County this week, and commissioners there decided it best to have employees who work indoors to wear masks. Again, it's just employees only at this point, but come August 17th, they're going to revisit the issue, and if they think the number of COVID cases haven't really subsided, then they may go ahead and extend that requirement to everyone who comes to Clark County to wear a mask. So again, those would be folks, right, that have been vaccinated. You need to go ahead, I think it's best to just check, before you hit the road. Obviously, folks are traveling a lot more now, so best to go ahead and do a little online search before you go and just know, that city you're going to, right, or that county, if they're requiring mask wearing indoors. And you may want to go ahead and consider, too, getting an N95. Right, these have come back on the market, and also the KN95s. They're selling there. I saw online. So get them while you can. We've got an issue with labor shortage, and so obviously it's best for folks to stay as healthy as possible. We know that trucking's been hit hard with this labor shortage, restaurant industry, et cetera. So we need all the healthy people we can get at this point. So just play it safe out there.